Hey there! Imagine pulling a gorgeous maroon lipstick straight out of a mold, rich in color, effortlessly elegant, and completely natural. Think pure beeswax, creamy shea butter, and wait for it. A magical botanical powder that gives it that perfect shade. And yes, all crafted right here in my organic glam lab. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you how this beauty came to life. Alright, friends, let's talk about ingredients because what's in your lipstick really matters, right? First up, coconut oil, the multitasker of the beauty world. It blends beautifully with pigments, adds a subtle shine, and keeps the texture silky smooth. Plus, it's super nourishing for your lips. Next, we have got shea butter, followed by beeswax, the natural hero that gives our lipstick its perfect shape and a smooth, long-lasting glide. Next up is the powerful vitamin E oil. And then comes bentonite clay, a natural ingredient that works wonders for texture. It's the secret behind that velvety matte finish. Next, we have got beetroot powder, followed by castor oil. It adds natural gloss to the lipstick while ensuring the pigments blend seamlessly. And lastly, the star of the show, alkanet root powder. Now let's dive into the making of this DIY. Start by taking half tablespoon of beeswax. Next, add half tablespoon of castor oil. After that, add half tablespoon of coconut oil. Next is shea butter, 1 tablespoon. For the pigments, take 1 teaspoon of alkanet root powder, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of beetroot powder. Now, blend them together using castor oil. Add just enough to create a smooth, silky paste. This ensures the pigments mix evenly into our lipstick base without any clumps. Take your time and mix well. Please remember, the smoother the blend, the more flawless your lipstick will be. And there we have it, our pigment base, ready to bring our maroon lipstick to life. Now it's time to melt all the ingredients we prepared earlier using very low heat, or better yet, go for the double boiling method. The beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil and castor oil all will come together to form a perfect base for our lipstick. Let it cool slightly, then add 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Stir well to ensure everything is perfectly combined. Now pour in the pigment and watch as it transforms into a beautiful, rich maroon shade. Look at this. It's just looking absolutely stunning. It's bold, it's beautiful, and the best thing, it's 100% natural. Now, with the help of a lipstick making kit, we'll carefully pour the mixture into the silicone mold. But here's a pro tip. Make sure you have oiled the mold properly before pouring to ensure an easy release later. Take your time and pour evenly, ensuring each section of the mold is perfectly filled for a flawless finish. Please make sure to fill the mold all the way to the top. This ensures your lipstick comes out with a perfect shape and no gaps. Here I am filling the mixture into another type of mold I have. It's always fun to experiment with different shapes and styles. Once the molds are filled, allow them to sit in the freezer for about 15 minutes. This helps the lipstick set perfectly, makes it easier to release from the mold. Now slowly release the ring from the mold to avoid damaging the lipstick's shape. Next step is to take your empty lipstick container and roll it all the way up to prepare it for your masterpiece. Now lift out the lipstick carefully, ensuring it stays intact and smooth. And there you have it, your handcrafted maroon lipstick, perfectly shaped and ready to make a bold, natural statement. Friends, this is going to be glossy, rich, and absolutely stunning. Alright friends, now let's move on to create the perfect matte finish. The mixture we have prepared is already looking amazing. But to give it a matte finish, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of bentonite clay. Mix it well. Then strain the mixture using a cheesecloth. This step ensures your lipstick is silky smooth with no graininess, just a perfect matte texture. Now repeat the same pouring method as before, but don't forget to oil the molds properly before pouring. Now again, carefully release the ring. Trust me, it's so satisfying to create your very own lipstick. And there you have it, your second maroon lipstick, but this time with a stunning matte finish. Here they are, two gorgeous maroon lipsticks side by side, one glossy and vibrant, the other velvety matte, both completely natural and handmade with lots and lots of love. You can try this yourself and I'm so excited to hear your responses. Thank you so much, friends, for watching my videos and appreciating my work. It's time to sign off, but until next time, take very good care and stay radiant.